Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. So I'm here to do your reading for Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. The timeless readings, guys. So roles can be reversed. General universal readings may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. Twin flame soulmates and connections can go for anything and anywhere. This card wants to come out. I'm going to be using this fortune telling here. Okay, fine. Okay. You are leading to the pathway. We're going to talk more about it. First of all, I love you guys. Sending you love all the way from India. So let's just start. Leading to the pathway, the message is coming that way. Leading to the pathway, the message is coming that way. Also, they're saying to shrink it. To shrink it before you make a move. So maybe you're leading to some decision making or a pathway that is being shown to you, but it's not long. I cannot see that. It's something being shrink it is coming. And I also see some bars there, kind of like bars. Okay, the pathway is not leading to anywhere. Someone is trying to escape something. The place, area, relationship, situation, but they cannot. Okay, they have to return so that they can deal with it. Because I saw some kind of like bars, it actually represents some bars behind. Someone is behind the bars, but I also see something of like someone is trying to escape. Well, they cannot do it. Also, the bars are also telling me the lockdown that is actually on right now, so may represent that. But the pathway is leading to that. I saw like in 2, and 2 is telling me the denoting something connected with going in a parallel way, something. Okay, I also see a decision. I also see someone is overthinking about making a big or huge decision in coming time. This is about in the midst of 2 people. So 2 people can say about that you're dealing with 2 energies. Could be from your family or friends or relationship or dating. But whatever is going here, you have to deal with the 2 because the 2 are in front of you. The pathway will get clear only if they step aside, and someone is not stepping aside. They're not doing it. So let's start with something. I also see with someone you're in parallel form like this, and you're trying to understand this person here, but the problem is that they are also blocking the vibe. Okay, I don't know what does that mean. So this card that flipped out for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, we're talking about it. Okay, it's also something that you are inside kind of like a tunnel. You want to move out. I mean, the water can pass through because the bars are like wide, but you cannot go through even if you want to. So you feel like you are locked, and which is exactly going on right now for around the globe. That's a lockdown. Okay, you're getting 7 of hearts energy here, cups energy, but also whatever the message is written, I'll speak it, but I'll go intuitive. My way of reading is different here. Okay, so let's start. 7 of cups. The stork denotes change of residence. Look forward to make an important decision between staying or moving. Maybe it is about to move on from the person or the relationship. The stork denotes change of residence for the better. Sooner or later, according to the distance which it lies from the person. Okay. So maybe it is about the nest you have with someone, the relationship that you have with someone. It's about something that you want to bring good news to someone, or you want to send it, or you just want to move on in parallel form with this person. But the path is leading to that way. Okay. Someone is also returning because they cannot come out. Now we'll see. It's about the decisions, about the choice. Maybe this is something like you are hoping and waiting for the best of news here, either from the person. Maybe you are hoping to have this commitment with someone. If you don't have, you want to do it. So the stork is all about bringing good news. Change of residence could be that you want someone with you, or you just want to move in with someone. And if you're already with them, then better plans ahead. That's about better choices, desires, fantasies. Some people over here, I can see they are manifesting or trying to think about that this is going to happen in the future. Okay, that's what I see. Stork, though it's a good news, you know, change of residence, or maybe that someone is waiting that when the lockdown is over, like the bars will be out, we're going to move. So that's about that we are inside and we are about to make bigger plans in the future, hoping for better, hoping to come out and be on the rooftop. Okay, I see some people are standing on the rooftops because you can see the better picture from the top and you're looking around. You might see more birds out there. You might end up seeing a stork as well, some of you. So that's like a promise of people who connect with this world and, you know, they believe in. They might be getting aligned with like, yes, the stork is there or some good news is here. You might actually see the stork, okay? So we'll see with the card. Some of you might be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. That's what I picked from these hearts, okay? You're getting this one card that got flipped from the Romance Angels, and the card is Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. I feel like because of whole of this situation wherein people are inside, they're trying to figure out the pattern. It's also the return to the same place, to the same origin, trying to comprehend it. Or trying to comprehend the problem that is connected with the relationship. It's also about that now finalizations will be done when you are going to get clear out of this lockdowns and everything will be all right. People are going to take the decisions here. Codependency. I also see some of them are trying to understand or comprehend the situation much better on a more wider perspective, okay? Maybe this is connected with escapism of like some pattern, some details that they can provide you, or the information that you have and you're about to use it when this lockdown is over. Possible this is actually connected with addictions for your own life or for someone. This is also the bad habit of something collecting, bad habit of creating problems for a specific person. You might be doing it or someone else is doing it, okay? I see the weight to unleash. I feel like this person is like kind of feeling in bar or feeling like, oh, I can't move out or I cannot do this or I'm not in this position to do this, but that is your requirement. Like even if you go to that path, the pathway leading to that, you have to be right in your decisions, but there is something going around you, either with the person or either with you, or you are doing it or they're doing it, that is creating problems, okay? So maybe some of you are in this sort of situations of making better decisions in your life right now where your happiness resides. So keep an open mind, okay? It's in the midst of that we kind of like two of wands decision or two of cups energy, sort of like, please ignore the sounds, two of cups energy, wherein you know the bad or the negative or the pros and the cons of the person. Same goes that way. You know it, but you still fantasize and dream about the life with the particular energy, okay? You know it. So this is about, okay, I know, but I'm thinking forward, okay? That it's okay, we're going to together mend it, or together we'll go with the flow, but we are, at least we are in parallel. That's what, okay? So maybe the message over here, keep an open mind, is about your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So maybe this is just a habit, but you're all right with that. Possible. Yeah, at the moment I'm cutting the deck, it's coming romantic feelings here. So possible you have that. Your feelings are real and worth exploring for. I feel like you are seeking some happiness, some residence, some security in one person that seems to you as a stork. But either you can't reach to the rooftop, obviously, or reach to them right now if you're not with them, okay? You're trying to understand someone's pattern here, which might be the case, but romantic feelings are here. So we'll see where you're coming from, right from Romance Angels, okay? Interesting reading. Timeless, guys. So I don't want you to confine, like, Okay, I do give sometimes dates, okay, sometimes not. It doesn't matter. It depends upon your timeline actually. So you're coming from a place of make the effort. Have you done it? If you haven't done that, do it. Maybe someone is doing it, okay? So make the effort, which is very energizing. I mean, I love this particular card very much because in this, a sweet boy is kissing on the cheek, a sweet little girl, and making the effort to make her happy, bringing the cherries along, okay? I mean, what a kiddo will have in hand to give. I mean, there is no luxurious item here, which is exactly, I feel like the gesture is more important in the love. Even if you bring apple, even if you bring something, you know, just a petal, even just a leaf. You notice that kids do bring flowers, and when they go around the garden and all that, or they just bring some petals or some leaves, and they say like, I love you, kind of like such a gesture here. That's what I love. So make the effort is here. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. Possible. Recording time 11:11. Possible, I was about to say this is the person. Possible you're making the effort for the right person here. You want to do it, okay? Or maybe you're being called to do it. So a second goes becomes your past. Remember that, because the bottom energy is coming as very soon. Okay. So very soon here. And the message is clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Maybe you're fantasizing about a lot of things, but you know where your happiness resides. So you are moving in a tunnel. I do feel this is a return to the communication for you guys. Possible. Okay. Or maybe you're trying to understand someone in particular. What's in your now? It's like a far home, I see, a far residence, or even a neighbor, but still you are not close to that person in particular. I see that. In your present, there's an engagement. So some of you are with this person already, and you're coping with the codependency patterns, fantasizing about one another on a whole new level, at a whole new level, sorry. You have a home, you have a relationship with them. You might be living, you might be married, or you might just be thinking about getting engaged or involved with this person. This is also the call of like dating. Maybe you're making the effort, or someone is making the effort to date one another. Engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So possible that's what's on your mind actually, that you want to be with this person and you have decided. But I do feel that people need to break free from some things, like a pattern, some thinking process, something that's not working, or something that you know will not work if we bring it in the mid. So how can you have the stork? Stork does bring good news. You know that, right? Alright, so let's start with again your reading. There were some sounds coming, so I paused the video. So in the center, it's engagement. For some cases, I feel there is someone who either is making consistent effort here, but the problem is, or the blockage is codependency. Straightforward. So someone is in the position to, I am engaged to the person, or I am committed to the person, but am I on the right track? So some of the cases goes that way. In the relationship, but desiring something else. Maybe someone is feeling like my happiness is not here. Possible. That's why I saw like a tunnel and move on. This card flipped, guys. I don't know why. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. So this could be something that someone is unaware about what I am doing or what have I done. Maybe they want to forgive themselves. Maybe someone wants to forgive you, or you want to forgive, or both of you want to forgive because you are in relationship of engagement. People are dating, you people are married, or you people are living, or howsoever it goes. Forgiving and learning is coming, which is about you both are healing the past. You both are letting go of what about the blockage of codependency or something that someone did. This possible lockdown is helping you out to forgive and learn. I see there is someone who is asking for forgiveness and the judgment. Though I haven't used any tarots right now, but I hear judgment. It's a karmic circle that's on, or something that you want to put effort you're learning something, okay? You're asking for forgiveness possible. If you are not doing it, someone else is, or both of you are. But that's like a concept of like releasing, okay? That's what the word's written here. We'll see in the future. What's your future call, future vibe? I see here let loose being done. Okay, you walk that path. So the pathway is calling you, you walk that path. I don't have problem. Okay, and you got the card. The card is reversed though. It's unrequited love. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. I feel like unrequited, when it's coming reverse, is a trial again. It's kind of like a judgment. It's kind of like someone who is asking for forgiveness. That's what you got, forgiving and learning here. But unrequited love is coming reverse. Someone who cannot accept it at all, one thing. Another, someone who is trying to forgive and heal and trying to give chance to this again. It's like rebirth of something, going in parallel way for something. And you're getting the bottom energy as playfulness, which is to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. So possible someone is trying here something interesting. What do I want? I'll use this Alan Dugan's Witches Tarot. I do feel someone is about to, or they are doing make the effort. Okay, when the time is coming to let loose and move out or move away, whether you are in the same tunnel, you're actually helping one another to show the light, going in parallel form. Stork does say that. Okay, it's like bringing happy news on the rooftop. Bringing happy news. Someone is arranging something on the rooftop. So the person is still not so convinced here. One person is still not convinced here. But I do feel that this forgiving, this learning, this little goes a long way sort of situation, where an unrequited love is coming reversed, is somehow a good sign of trying to understand one another on a whole new level. So I said so, returning. You're getting the bottom energy as the moon. Some of you might be dealing with the Pisces here, but the moon is something like showing the light in the dark, like the tunnel was all blackout. Okay, I also see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you people are searching actually, and this this moon, this person in particular in the rain is trying to protect the area, the relationship. So we'll see. I'll shuffle first. I'll take out the cards, 2 cards for your present and your future call. Okay, we're done with a lot of like where you're coming from. You're coming from choices, desires, fantasies, happiness, stork, blockages, learning the pattern of someone. Then someone is making the effort. So possibly you're looking at them like someone is like returning. So bottom energy is Ace of Swords energy, and you're getting bottom to bottom as Queen of Cups energy, which is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. With this, I am also picking Aquarius in particular. Could be Gemini, Libra, but Aquarius a major. And Ace of Swords is telling that there's going to be reinvention, kind of like a communication. I'm cutting the deck in 3. Okay. You're getting the Hermit, alone time, or let's just say not lonely, alone time, which is which I should put that in seclusion. I mean solitude. The Hermit goes for the Virgo. It also goes for better light, better truth, better analysis, and better decisions. That's what I see. Okay, recording time 1919. So your future call, sorry, your present, sorry. 9 of Wands, overprotector, 9 of Wands energy. So there is some communication waiting for you if you allow. If you don't just push it away, it's going to enter. Someone who is not giving up, you or the other person. They want it. They want it to work actually. They know it's difficult to push through, but they're here. What's your future call or future vibe? Your future call is about the decision, 2 of Swords, communication that was in halt or was in pause or whatever was in, it's coming through. So there is a decision that's coming. You might be at cross. I said so, two parallel bars sort of, so two swords sort of, like decision is needed here. What's beyond? I mean, you might be in a thought process of what should I do, because unrequited, someone is trying very much over here to prove their love, to prove that they can be stork, that they can be good, they can make the effort here, that someone is asking for forgiveness here, that someone wants to stay, they want it to work, if you both are engaged or dating, whatever. Five of Cups. Look, beyond Two of Swords. It's about a disappointed phase where you are in to decide. This can also be with someone you want to talk. You see the capacity, but what they are, because someone over here is not accepting it totally, or not in the position to decide. But with the Two of Swords and Five of Cups, it's about the disappointing phase of someone you are missing, absence of emotions here possible, or just you're missing the communication that you so want bad here. I mean, you just want to have this collaboration. You're feeling like you're thinking a lot about this person. Yeah, that's what I see. And you are trying to figure out with the light that you have. Recording time 2121. You need to, or you are trying to figure out what decision they'll do, because you just miss them, you want to talk, so you end up talking, you know. You are at cross of some decision of, could be work as well. This Hermit is a lockdown again. I hope guys this shall help you. Take care. I love you. Bye.